Hello every programmer in bracket beginner. Today I am going to discuss about C programming in bracket introduction. So I believe that most of you have confused and lot of questions come to your mind that either C is a character or a language. If it is a language, then why we never heard about that like English, Russian, Spanish, Hindi, Bengali and other one? Does it helps to communicate with people or aliens? Is there any grammatical rules made for it? Well, don't worry, I will clear out all those confusions for you. So first of all, I tell you C is obviously a character in English alphabet which position is in the third number, right? And there is also exist a language which this tutorial is for, and I am here, and that language communicate not with people or alien but simply a computer. This language has some grammar that you are going to learn here, and this grammar is called C programming, or simply says C language.
Dennis Ritchie, who was originally developed this language for us. This language has some features that you could find today's modern language. Some of those are: it is structured, that means it has some standard rules you have to follow so it doesn't make any chaos. Easy to code, that means your code is more human readable instead of machine readable so that you could find the error whenever you want. It is machine independent, so you don't have to worry about what machine you are using, because this code can be run any of the system that supports C. I gave you C introduction in a light and interesting way. We will learn more about this language so you could talk to the computer through the programming, share your opinion about me. See you later.